The Fox and the Bird by Shaya El Nacionales. There was a bird lived alone in the woods. In a rocky cave nearby lived a fox. It was a Saturday morning, and the bird wake up early and go outside to collect sticks for her nest. The fox always dreamed of catching the bird and cooking her for breakfast. But the bird was very clever, and she was always careful to lock her door. The fox think of a way of how you will catch the bird. At last, the fox thought a way to catch the bird. He waited for the bird to leave the house. While the bird was busy collecting sticks for her nest, the fox crept through the woods towards her house. The fox carried a bag with him and he sneaked into the bird's house. The bird had a terrible fright when she found the fox in her house. She flew up into a high beam. "You can catch me here," she said to him, "so you might as well go home." "Are you so sure of that?" asked the fox as he began chasing after his own tail. Faster and faster he ran, and the bird became very dizzy watching him. She fell off the high beam, and the fox quickly put her in his bag. She then started off for home, but the fox was tired from running, so he took a nap. The bird took her scissors to cut her way out of the bag. The clever bird filled the fox's bag with stones. Then she trotted off for home. The fox soon awoke and carried the bag into his house. He put on a huge pot of water to boil. But when the stones splashed into the boiling water, the fox was scalded badly. He never bothered that bird again. Moral: don't underestimate the abilities and capabilities of an individual. The end.